So Sam asked us about the projects that keep us up at night. But this is not about what keeps me up at night. It's about the dreamers, the radical ones, who will stop at nothing. Not money, not rules, not borders. So, what's your dream?
I want to retire from long-haul trucking and go on a never-ending road trip with my Explorer truck. Later on, I will trade him for a blue water sailboat. Call me a dreamer.
I dream of a world where every woman and girl can have the freedom to reach their highest potential. That's why I want to become the first female president of Sierra Leone, a country that is rated as one of the hardest places to be a mother and a girl.
These two are not just a great inspiration, but also my girlfriend and my dad.
I'm a proud one.
Together we're shooting the pilot episode right now, but we need the support of Artlist, because firstly, I suck as an editor, and there are many more dreamers like that out there, which I would like to follow across borders and across the years. A documentary series about chasing freedom and belonging.
Go back to bed.
Wow, enough daydreaming.
Awake.